Hi everyone and welcome again to How to Bank. Hope you guys are enjoying our banking videos. If you are watching our channel for the first time, we at How to Bank create banking videos so that your banking experience is easy. We try to have different videos for as many banks as possible. If you face any problem in banking, please feel to write to us. We will try to help you out. So in this video today, we are going to see how to use Yes Robot. Recently, Yes Bank has started this option. Go to yesbank.in and right hand bottom corner, you will see an Yes Robot symbol. Click on that. Input your name and click on Get Started. So this is an virtual assistance bank has recently started wherein you can have different options. So under banking services, you can send money to someone, check your balance, recharge, pay your bills, hotlist your debit card. If your debit card is lost or stolen, you can immediately come here and block it. You can see recent transaction. You can order a statement also. You can stop the checks or you can order a checkbook as well. So this is a fantastic wherein you do not want to log into net banking. Just come here, go to Yes Robot and check. Let us see how the check balance operates. Here you will have to input your user ID, input the mobile number wherein an OTP or transaction password will be sent. Input the OTP mentioned in the SMS and click on verify. Here you go, it will show you the balance. So there are banking services, loan eligibility, apply now. We can also contact if you want to find a branch locator. It will ask you to send location. I say yes, let the bank know my location. I say yes. So based on your location, it will show you nearest ATM. So this is a very good facility the bank has started. If you want to check for loan eligibility, click here or just say I want to go to say main menu. Fantastic. You see the robot has started the facility all over again. Fantastic. You see the robot has brought us to the main menu. You can call, you can write. So this will initiate a call. I will say close. This is how you use a Yes Robot. Always remember to close when you are done and close your browser also. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Please share with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel. Always have safe banking. Do not share your username and password with anyone. Keep your ATM pin secret. Thank you and have a wonderful day.